guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Alexis Sierra, and you already know what we are here for, honey. We are here for another hair tutorial. This is a crisscross crochet style. It's kind of trendy now, and I also was inspired by CHEV, so I will have her video linked down below in the description box. But go ahead and stay tuned, get comfortable, and I'm about to show you guys how I slay this hair, period. I almost got this video rolling without showing y'all the products that y'all need. And then also a crochet needle, of course. What's a crochet style without a crochet needle, honey? You already know. And then her video, she used pineapple wave as the texture, but they didn't have that at my local beauty supply store, so I bought the same brand but not the same hair pattern. And then she also used the like wrap sheets. I don't even know what you call these. Rabbit Junior. I don't even know, this is probably the brand, but you know, the little wrap sheets where you wrap your hair up, you sit it on the dryer and everything like that. So I'm trying to do everything I can because my roots are very natural right now because I do not have a relaxer. So I'm hoping that they don't revert back and that my parts look as neat as hers. But honey, I don't know, I can't find my rat tail comb with the metal piece, so I'm gonna use this. But I also am gonna use my little edge brush because I think this will be like, this has been like, this little part is very sharp. Hey Siri. Play 7 Streeter's new album.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Yeah, so my camera actually died and I didn't even realize it, but I was almost done. But so far you can see part of this crisscross braid and kind of do like a flat twist. Yeah, I don't even remember how to flat twist for real. Oh, so I think we're doing something. I don't really know. Okay, hold on now. Did I just do something? I have one strand, and I'm just gonna like take it through. Let me bring you guys closer. So yeah, just like that. You guys know, like, if it's pretty like rocket science with the whole crochet needle thing. I'm only taking one through instead of both, how I usually do. So I'm gonna take one. And I'm trying to just separate it at the bottom.
You can't be replaced. So no one else will do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million.
guys though, it's like super long. You guys are gonna see at the end, but I am gonna cut it a little bit just because I'm 5'4", so it's really long on me. It's longer than what I want it to be. Let me see. Here's literally like my waist. So if you want it that long, knock yourself out. But I think just because it's like so thick in the type of hair that it is, I fear that it's going to get bigger. I already know how my edges get. So I'm shocked. They're actually doing pretty decent right now. Let me zoom in and show you guys. But they're doing decent right now. I'm not even gonna lie to you. They're doing pretty decent. But we already know how this goes. So I'm gonna spray this on there first. That's more than enough it should be. How big did I I think my head was. I'm gonna do 2 layers, just like they do in the salon, baby. I'm gonna do 2. I need 2 ham sandwiches. What is that movie? What is that from? I don't even know. If you know, comment down below, because I don't even know where I got that from. Call me Barbara Lex. I'm going to sit under the dryer for 10 minutes. I'm also gonna like trim the ends of it off camera. Come back and give you the final look, baby. Stay tuned.